In our pre-pandemic world, not only were companies investing huge sums in ever more expansive and elaborate workplaces, but cities were falling over themselves to offer various incentives to locate those buildings within their boundaries. As has been widely documented, the pandemic has meant much of that knowledge work has been done remotely, with numerous surveys highlighting the general reluctance of employees to venture back into the office again. A lot is at stake for commercial developers, as in May it was estimated that just 5% of buildings across America had occupancy rates above 10%. While the situation was marginally better in Europe, the picture is far from rosy given the uncertain return to work in the coming months. With data from Moody's analytics suggesting that as many as 20% of offices in America will be empty by 2022, there is clearly a demand among organizations for their real estate to do more than was previously the case. This is aptly illustrated by estimates from Fitch that the value of corporate real estate in America could halve if remote working remains popular for 3 days each week. As a result of the renewed competition from remote working, there is a clear need for corporate real estate managers to up their game and make offices more attractive places for workers to spend their day. At the top of their agenda is making buildings greener and more sustainable. There has been a gradual trend towards greener and more sustainable buildings for some time, with many property firms now pledging to only develop net zero carbon offices. Such investments in sustainability inevitably favor new developments, however, with the task of retrofitting older properties that much harder. For instance, the real estate fund manager Schroders became the founding signatory to the Net Zero Asset Managers Initiative in December 2020, and earlier this year published its pathway to becoming net zero by 2050. The $20 billion fund manager wants to ensure that assets are in line with the carbon reduction targets outlined in the Paris Agreement. While talk of the death of cities as a result of the pandemic is almost certainly overblown, COVID has renewed our appreciation for the role our landscape plays in public health. Parks and other green spaces are likely to prevaricate after the pandemic, with the shift towards walkable cities accelerating as officials strive to make cities not only buzzing places to be but also healthy places to be. The Exchange, set within the new Paddington Square development in London, aims to bring green spaces inside with an indoor park within the walls of the development, providing workers and visitors with a space to relax and recharge. The 18-story development aims to blend the comfort of working from home with the communal aspect of working life.